Okay, screen is visible to all. Okay, so course of action. Course of action, basically, if I explain you, it is the action that we take for a particular problem to minimize the problem. Okay, so usually you may get a questions where a problem will be in front of you and you will be asked to solve the given problem. Okay, so many a time it may happen that your course of action may not solve, or it may not, it's like that, it cannot be a complete solution to it, but yes, of course, it can minimize the problem. So here, I have already written that course of action is a suitable step adopted or solve the given problem. Now, most importantly, when you are solving course of action questions, things that you need to remember, it should be a practical solution and it should help you, or it should be an immediate action, I would say. Okay, so it should be a practical, viable solution and immediate, instant. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपने ऐसा solution दिया है जो फिलहाल के लिए, मतलब solution तो proper है, but उसको solution को accept करके instant उसके कोई reaction ना आए. ठीक है, तो आपका जो solution है वो practical भी होना चाहिए और instant भी होना चाहिए. Fine. So these are the two things that you have to keep in your mind. That is, it should be a practical and viable solution and help in solving the problem, and it should be an instant solution. Okay. And one more important thing that you need to remember is you should be unbiased or should have a neutral mindset when you are solving course of action questions. Because sometimes it may happen that the problem which is in front of us, we can start relating it with us. Okay. And in that case, we can become biased when we are supporting one particular front of it. Okay. So whenever you are solving course of action questions, you should be unbiased and should have a neutral mind. Another thing that we can remember is that our perception is not important. So we should not judge as per what is our perception. Rather than that, we should read the question, we should read the problem and try to figure out the practical solution to it. Now, there are few tips that we can remember in solving course of action is, the first one is, without any second thought, choose actions which are practical in nature and minimize your problem. This I have already explained you. Now let's move on to the next. That action should not give a birth to another problem. Sometimes it may happen that we are taking a solution to a particular problem and then ultimately we'll end up taking a solution where we are just, facing new another problem. So we have to just see that our solution or our action should not lead to another problems. Okay. So let's understand it with the example. So the example says, on a particular highway, number of road accidents have increased by many folds. So what is the problem over here? Problem is that the road accidents have increased on highway. Okay. So now, what could be the action? Can anybody tell me? The first one or the second one? First one says personal monitoring should be done by police officials on each and every vehicle. And second says identify the cause and take precautionary action. So what will be the answer?
Second option. Second.
Okay, second hoga.
Second option.
First नहीं होगा. Why first be the answer?
मैम इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि हम पर्टिकुलर एक एक चीजों को आइडेंटिफाई करें और उसको ठीक करें।
नहीं, बट ये एक प्रोबेबल सोल्यूशन हो सकता है मॉनिटरिंग करना, डोंट यू थिंक सो?
But on each and every vehicle, it's not
सकता है
practically
मैम,
possible.
Yes.
हाँ,
Yes, the word
correct.
each and every vehicle is important here, where this could be a solution, but this solution is going to give you or it is going to lead to some another problem, है ना? Each and every vehicle को अगर हम monitor करने बैठेंगे तो वो एक नए problems को और arise कर सकते हैं, मतलब we have to put more manpower to do this activity, right? तो वो solution तो है, but it is not viable, मतलब वो ये भी हो सकता है कि वो another problems को lead करे. Is this clear? ठीक है, now let's move on to the next. When there is unpredicted outcome, okay, so we always have to avoid the actions where the outcomes are are unpredicted. Okay, so here we'll understand it again with an example. So the example says company Z is incurring huge losses due to many competitors in the market. So now the reason is not mentioned here, that why it is incurring huge losses. Okay, it is just saying that there are many competitors in the market, so because of that company Z is incurring huge losses. So now what could be the probable action that we can take?
Option B. B.
Option B.
B.
Option B
B.
होगा. Okay, let's check. So option A says company Z should offer a huge discount on all its products and attract customers. And B says company Z should study its competitors, their products and methods. Yes, if we'll read it thoroughly, we can identify that first could be a solution, but then again it is unpredictable that even after reducing the price of a product, we are going to attract the customer. So it is something, this particular outcome is something which is unpredictable. So whenever there is a situation of unpredictable things, we are not going to select those course of action. So in today's session, I am going to cover almost all the aspects of course of action which may come in your examination. ठीक है, तो सारे टाइप के हम लोग क्वेश्चंस यहाँ पे सॉल्व करेंगे. Now let's move on to the next concept. It says that avoid negative and harsh actions. So whenever we are taking actions, we have to avoid negative and harsh actions if possible. But if there is no other option available, then such actions should be undertaken. So now here we have to keep it in our mind that we should not straight away move on to the negative or the harsh action, but if we do not have any option apart from that, then of course we have to choose it. Okay, is this clear? Now just understand it with an example. So example says company X has been incurring losses since 3 years. As per the internal study, it has been found that 60% of the employees are above the age of 60. Now, what will be the answer for this question?
Second.
Second होगा?
First option.
First होगा, okay. किसी का both है answer?
First.
First होगा. Okay, let's check. The first option says company X should take some loan from bank and other financial institutions. And second says due to low productivity of the employees, company X should fire some of its employees who are above the age of 60 and should recruit young employees. Now here you need to understand one thing, that we have to stick to the statement कि स्टेटमेंट में प्रॉब्लम क्या दिया है और उसके अकॉर्डिंग वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन. नाउ इफ यू रीड द स्टेटमेंट केयरफुली, वहां पे क्लियरली दिया है दैट 60%, क्योंकि वहां स्टडी हो चुका है इस पर्टिकुलर कंपनी में, अब वो स्टडी से ये पता चला है कि 60% of the employees are above the age of 60. So that means what, we are pretty sure that because of the age constraint, the productivity is not coming in that company, right? So even the second one is sounding little immoral, or it is sounding little harsh on the people who are above 60. But then ultimately, just because company X has to recover the losses, or so we have to take option 2, because even though if we are taking the action 1, that is taking loans from institute, we are not pretty sure that the people who are sitting out there are going to work effectively and give the results, right? तो कई बार ऐसा होगा कि वो हार्श, वैसे तो हमको अवॉइड करना है, बट अब यहाँ और कोई ऑप्शन ही नहीं है, just because statement में यही given है कि 60%, because we cannot rely on 40% people and we can say कि लोन मिल जाएगा तो वो 40% जो है वो मतलब प्रोडक्टिवली काम करने लगेंगे, ठीक है. So somewhere you need to understand कि इस पर्टिकुलर केस में हमको नहीं चाहते हुए भी ऑप्शन नंबर बी को सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, मतलब सेकंड ऑप्शन को हमको सिलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा, राइट? क्योंकि फर्स्ट वाला अगेन क्या है, ये अनप्रेडिक्टेबल सिचुएशन है कि लोन लेने के बाद भी क्या वो कंपनी अच्छा कर पाएगी. बट यस, क्योंकि स्टडी हुआ है 60% एम्प्लॉय 60 से अबाव है, तो हो सकता है उनको उस पर्टिकुलर पोजीशन से हटा के अगर कोई नए
मैं सुखाता हूँ, कभी मम्मी सुखाती हूँ.
यंग एम्प्लॉयज को अगर रिक्रूट किया, आई रिक्वेस्ट द स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज म्यूट योर ऑडियो.
मैम
यस,
अगर 60 अबव नहीं होते और
हाँ.
सारे यंग एम्प्लॉयज ही होते तो क्या हम ऑप्शन 1 सेलेक्ट कर सकते थे?
हाँ, वो फिर वो कंडीशन हो सकता था कि उसके लॉसेस को हम लोग रिकवर करने के लिए लोन से अमाउंट लेके और उसको फिर स्मूथली वर्क कर सकते थे. बट यहाँ ये एग्जांपल लेने का मेन पर्पस ये था कि आई रिक्वेस्ट द स्टूडेंट्स प्लीज म्यूट योर ऑडियो. जब आपको कुछ क्वेश्चंस पूछने हैं उसी टाइम आप अनम्यूट करिए, फिर तुरंत आप म्यूट करिए प्लीज. ओके, सो अगर वहां पे 60 के अबाव के एज नहीं होता तो ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग और ऑल्टरनेटिव सॉल्यूशंस उसमें ढूंढते. बट क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो मैं आपको एग्जांपल ले रही हूँ वो एग्जांपल अवॉइड नेगेटिव एंड हार्श एक्शन वाला है, और उसमें ये भी हमने मेंशन किया है कि अगर ऑप्शन में उसके अलावा और कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है तो हमको कई बार फोर्सफुली भी नेगेटिव और हार्श एक्शंस को एक्सेप्ट करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो दिस इज व्हाट वी नीड टू remember. Is this clear? कोई डाउट है यहाँ तक किसी को? Now broadly, whenever the questions are being asked, they are of two types. The first is a problem is given to you and then you have to identify the solution, and second is your situation improvement based. A situation is given to you and maybe the situation is not favorable, so you have to look for the improvement of that particular problem or that situation. Okay, they are also known as fact improvement based questions, right? So in few books you may not get the word situation improvement, you may get a word like fact improvement question. So let's move on to the first one, that is problem solution. So whenever a problem is given to us, again we have to remember the keywords, the key points of course of action. That is, we have to minimize the problem, we have to solve the problem practically. Okay, so let's start with the example. The example says concerns have risen about air pollution in Indian cities. A recent report by the World Health Organization states that of the 20 most polluted cities in the world, 13 are in India. So what will be the answer? What will be the solution to this problem?
A.
Okay. We'll read carefully. हाँ, B हो सकता है. Now the first action says pollution committee should immediately take certain measures to control the pollution levels in India. Yes, immediately लिखा है, तो कई बार ये words भी आपको help करेंगे कि वो probable solution आपका हो सकता है, क्योंकि immediately actions हमने लेने के लिए बोले हैं, right? Second action says licenses of polluting industries should be cancelled and owners should be put behind the bars. अभी recently हमने tips में देखा था, जो concepts हमने किए थे उसमें मैंने बताया था that we should avoid negative and harsh action until and unless we do not have any other option in a action, right? So the first action is pretty much clear on this, that if we are going to take immediate measures to control the pollution, it may reduce the pollution, right? So again, cancelling the license would not be a favorable solution to this, because it sounds little harsh and negative. So your answer will be only A. Okay, next question. Let's move on to the next topic, that is situation and improvement. So a situation will be given to you and then you have to identify the solution to that situation. So let's understand it with an example. So the example says, okay, so the question is, the authorities in society X are cracking down on street hawkers, blaming them for traffic jams near their society. So what will be the probable improvement for this problem, for this situation?
Both.
Both.
Second.
Okay, what do you mean by cracking down? What do you mean by cracking down?
Telling them to leave.
We cannot say exactly telling them to leave. It is something then that we are enforcing someone to follow the laws and order. Okay, so a particular society had told street hawkers that they have to follow the laws and regulations, because they are blaming them for the traffic jam, right? So first action says street hawkers should not be allowed during peak hours. And the second says street hawkers should be warned and asked not to create chaos. Now here if you see, the second one is the straight away answer that we can look for. Now why we cannot take the first one? Just because again we need to understand we have to avoid negative and harsh action. If we can directly tell the street hawkers that you won't be allowed in a peak hours, because ultimately street hawkers, they are there to sell the products, right? So that would be the best time for them when the crowd is there. That is the best time for them to generate some income, right? So we cannot take a harsh or a negative decision at this point in time, because we have an alternate action in that particular option, right? So your answer will be only 2. Is this clear? यहाँ तक कोई doubt है किसी को? Now we will move on to questions. I am done with the concept. Concepts में कुछ भी नहीं है. I'll revise it once again. Whenever you are solving questions on course of action, you should always consider that we should take a solution which is going to minimize the problem. Your solution should be practically viable. It should be immediate action that we can take or an instant action that we can take. Second that you need to remember is we have to be unbiased and it should be with neutral mindset. Then we cannot take our personal perception when we are solving the question. Okay, and like few more tips that you can remember is that you have to identify the root cause of the problem and then take a practical solution to it. We should also remember that your action should not give birth to the another problem. We should also keep this in our mind that it should not be a solution where the outcome is not predicted. And the last one where you will always end up making mistake is avoid negative and harsh action. So here you have to keep in mind that whenever an alternate option is given to you, alternate action that we can take apart from taking negative or harsh action, we should always select that option. But if in course of action we are not getting any alternative solution to that particular problem, then of course we have to choose the option which is negative and harsh, just to identify the solution to that problem. And the type of questions that may appear in your exam are of two types. The first one is a direct problem is given to you. You have to identify the solution to that problem. And second is, it can be a situation which is created in front of you and you will be asked to identify the improvement of that particular situation. So these are the broader aspects of कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन. इससे बाहर क्वेश्चंस नहीं आएंगे आपके, ठीक है. इसमें एक दो कॉन्सेप्ट्स और रह गए हैं जो हम आगे जो क्वेश्चंस करेंगे प्रैक्टिस क्वेश्चन, उसमें वो कॉन्सेप्ट्स और मैं आपके क्लियर करते जाऊंगी, ठीक है. बट अदरवाइज कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन में ये कॉन्सेप्ट के अलावा ज्यादा कुछ आपको याद नहीं रखना है. और जितना ज्यादा आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन का, उतना अच्छा आपका प्रॉब्लम सॉल्विंग स्किल्स होगा. Because examiners are going to check your problem solving skills and that to be a practical approach to solve that problem. तो ये दो चीजें हमको ध्यान में रखनी है to approach course of action. Okay, let's move on to question number 1. Tell me what will be the answer for question number 1.
Both.
Yes. Question क्या बोल रहा है? Question बोल रहा है many people in city Y are suffering from flu. So the problem is suffering from a flu. Okay. Now course of action that we can take is the municipal corporation should take immediate steps to control the disease. Second, people in the city should be advised to take certain measures from their end to prevent the disease. So here again, when a particular problem is being arised with people, then of course there will be a role of people also, as well as the municipal corporation who has the authority to take immediate steps to control the disease. Okay, so here both is your answer. Very good. Now let's move on to the next question. Read the question, then I'll move on to the options. So the question says, according to the survey, the current water reservoir will deplete by 50% by 2050. Now, what will be the answer?
A.
First.
First वाला क्या बोल रहा है? Government of all the countries
First.
should appeal to all the citizens to use water carefully and avoid wastage. And second says, scientists should start finding an alternative solution to water. हाँ, आप सब लोग सही हैं. Answer will be option A. Option A means only one follows. Option B means only two follows. Option C means it is already given in your direction, right? So C means either one or 2, and D means neither 1 nor 2, E means both 1 and 2. So here your answer will be A. Just because for the second one, we can understand that water is a basic necessity for our survival. Okay, so we just cannot wait for the alternative solution to water, right? So first is more practical. Okay, solve next question. Question number 3.
Neither.
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 Either.
Okay, excellent. The answer will be neither. The statement says an earthquake measuring 3.7 feet belly and its surrounding areas a little before 3 p.m. today. And the course of action that we can opt for this problem is government should immediately provide financial assistance to the family. अब immediately word तो है यहाँ पे, but again you need to remember कि immediately देखते बराबर हमको लैंड अप नहीं करना है उसको आंसर के लिए, क्योंकि आगे वो immediately क्या प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस टू दी फैमिलीज, राइट. फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस की बात कब आएगी, जब चीजें वर्स होना शुरू होगी. राइट नाउ द प्रॉब्लम इज सेइंग दैट द अर्थक्वेक is going to come. Okay, it is already predicted, so we should evacuate people from that particular place rather than providing them the financial assistance. तो financial assistance दे सकते हैं, but वो later stage पे, immediate solution की हमको बात करनी है. Second says people should blame the government. ये तो एकदम inappropriate हो गया. Okay, so your answer will be neither. Now let's move on to the next question. Question number 4.
First.
First.
First one.
Okay, answer will be A. Okay, so let's read the question. The World Bank estimates that India is one of the highest ranking countries in the world for the number of children suffering from malnutrition. So this is the problem that we have seen over here. Now what could be the action that we can take? Government, people and various NGOs should come together and try to eradicate the problem. Yes, as this is a problem where everybody can contribute, so of course we have to come together to eradicate the problem. Second says government should take financial help from foreign countries to eradicate this problem. Now here, why this could not be your answer? Just because we do not know that whether financial help is going to solve this problem or not. Because in India, if we are doing a proper budgeting or planning, we can of course solve the problem by coming together. Okay, so one will be the appropriate solution for this question. Okay, solve question number 5. Okay, what will be the answer for question number 5?
First option.
First होगा.
Yes, ma'am. First.
Okay. Anybody who can explain me what is the problem in this statement? Problem क्या mention हुआ? There is a complaint which is made by the exporters against the commercial bank, right? That they are not following the rules and regulations or the directives which have been given by RBI. So this is a basic problem that was mentioned in your statement. Now course of action says the officers concerned in the commercial banks are to be suspended. Now, do you think that if we are going to suspend the officers in the commercial bank, that is going to solve the problem? this could be a solution, but then we need to understand that this is going to give a birth to another problem, है ना? अगर हमने उनको निकाल दिया तो our task will increase to recruit new officers over there, and then we are not pretty sure whether they are going to follow the rules or the directives or not, right? So first हो सकता है, but then again we need to understand the concepts, और वो tips हमको याद रखनी है कि आपका solution ऐसा नहीं हो जो कि एक नए प्रॉब्लम को राइज करे, ठीक है? तो पहला इसलिए आपका वाइबल नहीं होगा. नाउ सेकंड सेज द आरबीआई शुड बी आस्क्ड टू स्टॉप गिविंग सच डायरेक्टिव्स. अब ये तो एकदम आउट ऑफ द कॉन्टेक्स्ट ही हो गया, बिकॉज आरबीआई ही अगर नहीं देगा डायरेक्टिव्स तो कौन देगा? बिकॉज आरबीआई इज द मेन बॉडी, राइट, जहां से सारे रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस बनते हैं. तो हम ये नहीं बोल सकते कि फिर सारे बैंक्स अपने से मतलब खुद से ही अपना रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन सेट करें, राइट? सो समबडी शुड बी देयर, अथॉरिटी शुड बी देयर टू मॉनिटर ऑल द अदर बैंक्स. सो यहाँ पे आंसर आपका हो जाएगा नाइदर. अच्छा, कोई मुझे बताएगा अगर ये दोनों सोल्यूशन नहीं है तो इसका सोल्यूशन क्या हो सकता है?
The RBI should direct the commercial banks to follow the rule.
हाँ, वो तो वो दे ही रहे हैं ना, डायरेक्टिव्स तो वो पास कर ही रहे हैं, बट देन वहां के जो कमर्शियल बैंक के जो लोग हैं वो उसको मतलब फॉलो नहीं कर रहे हैं, ऐसा एक्सपोर्टर्स बोल रहे थे, राइट? तो और क्या रेमेडी हो सकता है, क्या सोल्यूशन हो सकता है?
They should warn them.
Yes, they can warn them. Excellent. Or what we can say is we can make the banks implement the act, right? They should implement the act, and then they can give the suggestions to RBI. If they are facing any kind of problem, they can discuss with RBI rather than enforcing or going against. So this could be a probable solution to this problem. Okay, now let's move on to next question. Question number 6.
First.
First option.
Okay, so what the statement says, first नहीं होगा यार आंसर इसका. Let's understand क्यों नहीं होगा. The statement says a large number of engineering graduates in the country are not in a position to have gainful employment at present, and the number of such engineers is likely to grow in the future. So here we are identifying the problem is that even though students are engineers, but they are not getting a gainful employment, right? और उसको हमने थोड़ा फ्यूचरिस्टिक भी देखा है कि अगर ये कंटिन्यू रहा तो आने वाले टाइम पे और ये प्रॉब्लम बढ़ सकती है. Now what could be the probable course of action? The first is the government should launch attractive employment generation schemes and encourage these graduates to opt for such schemes to use their expertise and knowledge effectively. Now here nowhere it is mentioned in the statement कि employment का problem है, right? कि country में employment generate नहीं हो रहा है, उसकी वजह से engineers unemployed है, right? We are only targeting a specific graduate जो कि after taking a degree even though they are not employed, right? So again ये बहुत ही unpredicted outcome है कि अगर गवर्नमेंट ने कोई स्कीम लॉन्च की फिर भी क्या उन ग्रेजुएट्स को, उन इंजीनियर ग्रेजुएट्स को जॉब मिलेगा बेस्ड ऑन देयर एक्सपर्टाइज एंड नॉलेज इफेक्टिवली. नाउ हियर दिस इज अ क्वेश्चन मार्क दैट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि क्या रियली वो डिग्री उनको एक प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर की तरफ लेके गई है क्या, राइट? So this is a outcome which is unpredictable. Now let's move on to the second one. It says this happened due to proliferation of engineering colleges in the country and thereby lowered the quality of engineering graduates. those colleges which are not equipped to impart quality education should be shut down. Now here we are directly pointing to those colleges जहाँ पे practical understanding students को नहीं मिलती है, right? And engineering, as we all know, it's a kind of degree where practical experience is more important than your theoretical, right? So वो प्रॉब्लम का यहाँ पे रीजन बताया है शुरू में कि इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेजेस बहुत ज्यादा नंबर में बढ़ गए हैं. दैट इज द ओनली रीजन. बहुत सारे कॉलेजेस का जो इफेक्टिव स्टडीज है या जो क्वालिटी ट्रेनिंग जो मिलना चाहिए बच्चों को, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन जो मिलना चाहिए, प्रैक्टिकल एक्सपोजर मिलना चाहिए, वो नहीं मिल पा रहा है, राइट? So this could be your probable solution, because ऐसा करने से there will be limited colleges and they will be enforced to give quality education to the students. और जो भी authorized होगा monitor करने के लिए, उसके लिए भी आसान होगा. अगर कम कॉलेजेस रहेंगे तो वॉच रखना कि कौन से कॉलेजेस क्वालिटी एजुकेशन दे रहे हैं या नहीं दे रहे. एंड वी ऑल नो कि अगर क्वालिटी ट्रेनिंग मिला, क्वालिटी एजुकेशन मिला स्टूडेंट्स को, वो एम्प्लॉयबिलिटी स्किल्स अगर डेवलप हो गई तो गवर्नमेंट को स्कीम्स लॉन्च करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ऑलरेडी जो एम्प्लॉयमेंट रहेगा, स्टूडेंट्स कैन यूज देयर एक्सपर्टाइज टू गेट दैट जॉब, राइट? So this is how we need to understand when your questions are being asked. Okay, तो वो जितने भी टिप्स दिए हैं मैंने वो सारे याद रखने हैं कि ऐसा ना हो कि उसका ऐसा हम सोल्यूशन ढूंढ ले या ऐसा कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन सिलेक्ट करें जहाँ पे कि हमारा आउटकम एकदम अनप्रिडिक्टेड है. ठीक है, तो अनप्रिडिक्टेड आउटकम, फिर आपका एक्शन ऐसा ना हो जो कि एक दूसरे प्रॉब्लम को लीड करे. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों थोड़े से आपको ट्रिकी मिल सकते हैं व्हेन इट कम्स टू क्वेश्चन. अदरवाइज नेगेटिव वाला तो ऐसा है, नेगेटिव एंड हार्श, वो तो पढ़ते ही समझ में आएगा कि दिस इज अ कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन वेयर वी आर सीइंग द एक्सट्रीम एंड, राइट? चलो लेट्स सॉल्व क्वेश्चन नंबर 7.
Neither.
Neither.
ओके, नाइदर होगा आंसर इसका. नाइदर गलत है यार. लेट्स चेक. मतलब अभी भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स हमको कैसा है, कॉन्सेप्ट्स पढ़ लिए बट उनको इम्प्लीमेंट करना क्वेश्चंस में, अगेन यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड कि उसके लिए थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस लगेगा. और एवरी टाइम व्हेनेवर यू आर सॉल्विंग क्वेश्चंस वहां पे लिखते जाओ कि इसमें कौन सा कॉन्सेप्ट हमने अप्लाई किया है, राइट? तो उससे आपको आसान होगा कॉन्सेप्ट्स को रिवाइज करना. Now the statement says Odisha and Andhra Pradesh have agreed in principle to set up a joint control board for better control, right? So they have come together for management and productivity of several interstate multi-purpose projects, right? तो यहाँ पे दो पर्टिकुलर स्टेट की बात हुई है जो जॉइंटली आके अपने प्रोडक्टिविटी और मैनेजमेंट और कंट्रोल ये सब पे वॉच करके एंड दे आर गोइंग टू come together for interstate multi-purpose projects also, right? So here course of action says other neighboring states should set up such control boards. Now यहाँ पे already interstate multi-purpose बोला है और अदर नेबरिंग. अब यहाँ पे आपको ये लग रहा हो कि हम अज्यूम नहीं कर सकते कि अदर नेबरिंग स्टेट्स को भी आना चाहिए, नहीं आना चाहिए, राइट? तो यहाँ हम लोग अजम्पशन की क्वेश्चंस नहीं कर रहे. वी आर सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस ऑन कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन की इमीडिएट उसका, क्योंकि ये एक सिचुएशन है, ये कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है जो आपके सामने दिया है, राइट? इट इज अ क्वेश्चन बेस्ड ऑन सिचुएशन एंड इट्स इम्प्रूवमेंट, राइट? सो ऑलरेडी वहां पे 2 स्टेट्स साथ में आए हैं जॉइंटली. Jointly they have come as a control board and then they are improving or they are working on the productivity of several interstate multipurpose projects, right? So if other states, neighboring states will also come, then the things will become more viable, है ना? चीजें और आसान हो जाएगी अगर सब लोग उसको एक्सेप्ट करेंगे neighboring states की. The second says the proposed control board should not be allowed to function as such joint board, always ineffective. अब ये हम मतलब नेगेटिव नहीं ले सकते हैं कि वो मतलब कंट्रोल बोर्ड का जो प्रपोजल है वो कहीं से कहीं तक वर्क नहीं करेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. इट इज ऑलरेडी इम्प्लीमेंटेड इन 2 स्टेट और इसका एग्जांपल यहाँ पे दिया है, राइट. So here your answer will be 1, because if other neighboring states will come, then things will be more easy. Okay, let's move on to next question.
First, A.
First. Only first.
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 Yes, this question was pretty simple. So your answer will be first. It's correct. Very good. So the statement says children nowadays prefer watching TV programs meant for adults to studying in the evening. So rather than studying, they are preferring to watch television. Now course of action says parents should switch off TV sets during their child's study hours. Yes. This is something which is feasible for the parents also. So we cannot say कि parents का तो वही time होता है या उनको तो evening time ही मिलता है after a long working day. So why they should not switch on the TV, right? So we cannot question mark on this particular statement. Next says children who insist on watching these type of programs should be whipped. Now this is something which is very harsh for the kids. So this is something that we cannot take because we have an alternate option available in the question. Now solve question number 9.
First option.
First option.
First.
Second.
ओके यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा वेरिएशन आ रहा है. सेकंड नहीं होगा यार आंसर विल बी 1. जिन्होंने भी 1 दिया है मतलब यू हैव स्टार्टेड अंडरस्टैंडिंग द कॉन्सेप्ट. यू हैव टू रिवाइज विद क्वेश्चंस. दैट इज व्हाट आई कैन टेल यू. नाउ लेट्स सी कि सेकंड क्यों नहीं हो सकता है. नाउ स्टेटमेंट हियर सेज एवरी ईयर large number of devotees die due to severe cold on their way to the shrine located at the top of the mountain range. Okay, so the problem is being identified that people who are going to Shrine, which is located at the mountain range, so because of that, if they are not taking a precautionary note, I would say precautionary notes, so they are dying because of it. So the course of action first says the devotees should be discouraged to visit the shrine without having proper warm clothes. Yes, because it is mentioned कि cold की वजह से है, तो उसके लिए हमको proper warm clothes या फिर जो other amenities जो required है to protect from cold, वो लेके जाना चाहिए ना, उसके बिना अलाउ नहीं करना चाहिए. Next is the government should provide. Now what is the role of government over here? Because people here are not forced to go, they are going by their own. Okay, so here they are responsible to take precautionary measures when they are going to such places. Okay, solve next question. Okay, exodus here means leaving a particular place. So 4 districts in state A have been experiencing severe drought for the last 3 years, resulting into exodus of people from these districts. So here the problem has been mentioned. So क्या answer होगा? Ishita told answer will be both. Okay. और किसी का कोई आंसर है both के अलावा? So both is the correct answer, where the first one says the government should immediately start food for work program in the district to put a halt on to the exodus. Now exodus here is not just because of water. Okay, though the problem is mentioned that it is a severe drought, but because of the drought, even the survival has become challenge for the people who are residing in the districts. Okay, so even food work programs can also help in Exodus. Second, it says the government should make efforts to provide drinking potable water. So this could again be your practical solution that we can look for the problem. So here answer will be both. Now let's move on to the next question.
First.
Okay, और कोई आंसर है फर्स्ट के अलावा?
Second.
Yes.
Second.
Second is the right answer. Now we'll see first क्यों नहीं होगा. The statement says the Indian electronic companies looking for investing in the West European market face a tough competition from the Chinese companies. So the course of action that we can take is Indian companies should search for other international markets for its products. Now again here things, if you are going to take this particular course of action, your outcome will become unpredicted because we do not know by changing the market whether the product is going to be sold or not, right? Another course of action says Indian companies should improve the quality of their electronic products to compete with Chinese in order to capture the market. So whenever we are talking about products and selling of the product, it is always understood that quality of a particular product plays an important role. Okay, so if we are improving the quality, then of course this is going to help us to compete in the existing market, because the first option is not practically viable, where the outcome is unpredicted. We are not knowing whether by changing the market we are going to sold our product or not. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. Okay, sometimes your question may appear like this also, where the options may vary, right? So let's solve question number 12. First means course of action 1.
First and second.
Option number 1. Option second किसी ने बोला है 1 and 3?
Only 1 and 2.
Only 1 and 2, okay. और कोई आंसर है ओनली 1 and 2 के अलावा? किसी का और आंसर कुछ डिफरेंट आया है?
None of these.
None of these, okay. और कोई आंसर? ऑप्शन सेकंड भी किसी ने बोला है? इशिता, या इशिता told option second 1 and 3. See here again the concept is very important in this particular question. जहाँ पे स्टेटमेंट आपका बोल रहा है the members belonging to two local societies occasionally fight with each other on the main highway. So now in case the first should immediately deploy policemen round the clock on the main highway. Yes, because it is a main highway, so this could be a viable solution. ये practical solution है कि वहाँ पे हम policemen को deploy कर सकते हैं, है ना? और वहाँ पे again we are getting a keyword that is immediately. So this keyword is again going to help you to identify the answer. So 1 आपका correct होगा, option number 1. Second says those involved in fighting should be identified and put behind the bars. अब ये option आपको थोड़ा सा harsh लग रहा है, थोड़ा सा ऐसा लग रहा है कि यार मतलब immediately क्यों bars के पीछे डालना चाहिए, पहले उनको warning देना चाहिए. But then you need to understand problem जो है वो main highway की है. अगर वो street की होती या कोई local road की होती तो शायद ये नेगेटिव या हार्श एक्शन मान के आप उसको नेग्लेक्ट कर सकते थे. बट अगेन वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड वेयर द प्रॉब्लम इज अराइजिंग, राइट? सो ये भी ऑप्शन आपका उतना ही इफेक्टिव रहेगा जितना कि फर्स्ट वन रहेगा, राइट? क्योंकि एवरी टाइम यू कैन नॉट deploy the policemen over there. तो जब तक कि जो लोग वहां पे chaos create कर रहे हैं उनको आप bars के पीछे नहीं डालेंगे तो ये problem का solution नहीं निकलने वाला है, right? Now the last one says the local authority should seize the management of the two societies with immediate effect. Now this particular option is the extreme, right? तो अगर पहले दो जो कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन है, जो एक्शन हम ले रहे हैं उससे अगर सोल्यूशन निकल रहा है तो हमको एक्सट्रीम एंड तक नहीं जाना है, राइट? सो हियर योर आंसर विल बी 1 and 2. इस क्वेश्चन में किसी को कोई डाउट है? ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. अब क्वेश्चन का लेवल थोड़ा सा बढ़ेगा, है ना?
All follow.
All follow.
All follow.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, सो फ्लड वाला समझ में आया सबको? इस क्वेश्चन सबको समझ में आया? तीनों क्यों है? क्योंकि रिलीफ भी देना है, फूड आर्टिकल्स भी हमको इमीडिएटली सप्लाई करना, मेडिकल फैसिलिटीज भी देना है जो कि प्रॉब्लम में है, राइट? सो ऑल फॉलोज विल बी द आंसर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Option 4.
Option 4.
ओके, ऑप्शन 4 होगा. दैट इज ओनली 2 and 3. और कोई आंसर्स हैं अपार्ट फ्रॉम ऑप्शन 4? Okay, so option 4 is the correct answer. Now here, if you see in this particular statement where we are saying that a speeding car has seriously injured 6 persons sleeping on the pathway near the road last night. Okay, so what can be the action that one can take? The government should immediately put a complete ban on people sleeping on pathways. Okay, so here this is something that immediately word तो है, but immediately देख के confuse नहीं होना है, because later on उसमें ये दिया है कि complete ban on people sleeping on pathways. So here it is a kind of logical course of action that we have to consider, where people who do not have homes, right? So if we will not allow them to sleep on pathways, then where they will go? So this is again one thing that we need to remember. Now second says the driver of the car should be caught by the police and put behind bars. ये थोड़ा सा harsh लग रहा है, but then again it is necessary so that further accidents can be avoided. Last says the injured people should be taken to the hospital with immediate effect. Of course, the people who are injured by the rash driving, they should be immediately taken to the hospital. So answer will be 4, 2 and 3. Okay, solve next question, and it will be the last question. Okay, क्या होगा आंसर क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 का? लास्ट क्वेश्चन का
All.
फर्स्ट होगा only one follow. Okay, all 1, 2 and 3. और कोई आंसर है apart from these two? Fifth, all follows.
All follow.
Second and third follows. Ishita.
Second and third.
Second and third follows. Okay.
Second and third.
Fourth option.
Fourth option होगा. चलिए देखते हैं. The correct answer is all follows. Now let's see कि all follows कैसे होंगे. Statement says a sudden cloud burst over the coastal region of city X resulted in unpredicted rainfall causing tsunami like situation, okay, in the entire area. So large number of people were caught unawares and were guided to the road. Okay, so this was the problem which was being created because of the unpredicted rainfall. Now the course of action says the local administration should immediately put in place an action plan for avoiding such situation in future. Now, why we are saying such situation in future? Just because it is a experience from the past that we are taking. Okay, so this is not a situation which arises just now or the first time, like your coronavirus, where people were not very sure about what to do. So when it is unpredicted rainfall or a tsunami like situation where flood is there, because we have already solved this kind of question previously, so these kind of experiences are already being experienced by people, right? Okay, so of course we can say that such things should not repeat in future. Next option says the local disaster management body should immediately deploy personnel to help people to safer places. Yes, of course, when there is a problem, so we should take the people to the safer place. Last says the local administration should advise all the citizens not to hazard out of the road till situation improves, because if people are going to go on road, then of course the tensions are going to increase and the problems are going to increase, right? So whenever there are questions or the problem which is already been faced in past, then in that situation we can assume that this could be the probable solution to this problem. So your answer will be all 1, 2 and 3 follows. So whenever we are solving questions on course of action, you may find questions on experience from the past or the established facts where we are already knowing that what is the fact and how to solve this particular problem. And then there are few questions that are based on your logical course of action, where you have to put your logic directly to the question and then identify the solution to it. That's all from my end. If you have any queries, any questions, you can ask.
मैम
कोई डाउट है कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन में?
मैम वो जो स्टेटमेंट है, large number of people were caught unawares and were guided to the road. So were they guided by the local authorities or they went on their own?
They went on their own, no? How local authorities are going to do that? Why they are going to do it? Because they are supposed to take care of the society, right? So they are not going to misguide the people. Yes. Any other doubt? और किसी को कोई डाउट है तो समझ में नहीं आया है? Okay, before I end the meeting, just tell me, session समझ में आया आपको course of action?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. अब सिर्फ एक टॉपिक और बच गया है आपका क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग में, स्टेटमेंट बेस्ड, दैट इज आर्ग्यूमेंट, व्हिच वी विल बी टेकिंग इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. उसके बाद आपके स्टेटमेंट वाले सारे टॉपिक्स कवर हो जाएंगे. सो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू कि एप्लीकेशन में जो जो टेस्ट अवेलेबल है बेस्ड ऑन अजम्पशन, कंक्लूजन और कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन, इनके टेस्ट देना आप शुरू करिए, सो दैट after completion of argument I am going to keep a doubt session on all the 4 topics. तो उसमें आप डाउट फिर अपने रेज कर सकते हैं. ठीक है? थैंक यू सो मच एंड हैव अ नाइस डे.